I was driving in my 2007 Toyota Tundra, and I looked to the left and I saw a light blinking. It was the Vsc light, and also my check engine light was on. And I had just filled up about an hour earlier, so I thought it probably was bad gas that I may have purchased. As you can see, I'm gonna zoom in. As you can see, the VSC stands for Vehicle Stability Control. So what I did, I got out the vehicle at the gas station and I made sure the cap was on tight. It says that the cap has to be on tight. It must click one time. If not, that check engine light will come on, but it didn't say anything about the VSC light. So I made sure it was on correctly and I drove another 20 miles. And this did not fix the problem. The problem still occurred. So what I did, I added some gas treatment to it. Once I added the gas treatment to it, I drove another 20 miles and I was still having the same problem. But it's good to use gas treatment anytime. You know, sometimes you use that old bad gas. So I'm still thinking it was a bad gas. So I went on and drove it home, and I woke up the next morning and that light was still on. It was still blinking. So what I did, I drove it to work, which was about 20 miles. And when I got to work, I disconnected my battery terminals. So I took the negative and positive off for about 2 minutes. As you can see, the negative and the positive, I took them off about 2 minutes and I put them back on, and that fixed the problem. As you can see right here, I'm driving a vehicle. There is no lights blinking. So this is all you need to do. Just disconnect that battery terminal, make sure your cap is on tight, and this should fix the problem. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.